both, okay? So Akil, okay, here we go. So we start with, while waiting for the rest, we do paper 1 first, but section B lah. Okay, this one, very quickly come, we try to do as fast as possible. No using calculator for this one, no using calculator for this one. Let's see, this here is divide plus. Okay, can see, huh? Can see, yeah? Cannot?
Can.
Oh no, I just go again. Okay. Plus, Zahin, okay, let me just check. I have not done it. Zahin, please check, Zahin. You cannot make a mistake over this one, please. Come on, guys. Girls. There's no girls here. Carissa, yes, Carissa is here. Okay, let me see here. This one is divide now. Come on, Darvish get same answer as Zahin. We go through it. Akil, your answer is correct. So you got the answer. So that means that Darvish, you didn't get it right. Zahin. Okay, we're going to come to that. No problem. Wow, Kupang. Okay, first one, you're going to ask Darvish, which one do you do first? You tell us, which one you do first? Times, minus, plus, or divide?
I did the bracket.
Huh?
I did the bracket first.
Okay, so you get 10 here. Then after that, what do you do?
After that, 8 times 3.
Okay, 24. Okay, and then after that, what do you do? You minus 10, is it?
Yes.
But you see there's a divide down here. You must do divide first.
Plus.
No, you cannot do plus first. You already plus, right? Now it's 10 divided by 2. Which one you do first? Zahin also. Do you do minus or you do divide? You must do divide now, bottommost kan? You know, right? You must divide by 5. 2, you get 5. 24 minus 5. Hey guys, this is basic. This is, you cannot make mistake like that. They're giving free marks to you. 19, Darvish, okay, you understand? Yes, right? So please be careful. Okay, the next one, let us see. 4/7. Okay, those of you who have not submit, you can submit your answers while I do. Okay, try to do times becomes 1/6, and that's not 6/1/6. So you'll get 7. Let's see. From 6/1 to 1/6, so let's see. You get 2. Correct, right? Am I correct? Okay, I'm gonna do again because I'm just worried now. Few of you are getting different answers. Cannot be. That means it's either you're overconfident. Sorry, Desna was divide. This one was divide at first, right? So after that it becomes times. So it becomes 1/6 like that. So the 3 down here, 2/20, 2/21. Hey guys, so Akil also. Zahin, Darvish, you all have just thrown away. Oh, Akil have not. You have just thrown away the marks. Please be careful. So you ask yourself, how come you got it wrong? A few reasons. Okay, this happened true. I'm teaching 1-to-1. The student thinks he's concentrating, he's not concentrating. He thinks he's reading question, he's not reading carefully. Automatically he does the question. Automatically, he get it wrong. Why? Because he was not careful. The mind is drifting. The mind is floating somewhere. Please be careful. Exam time, don't do that. I had one student last year. I asked her, how's the exam? She said, very easy. Now she's better than the other students. You know what happened? Her score was worse than the student. She failed badly. Failed. To this year now in Sec 1, she's like the top of the class already. Top compared to everyone top. Why? Overconfidence. Mind was drifting. Please be careful. Please be careful. Okay, here we go. Next one now. Okay, first answer coming in. Okay, well done, Mr. Dawish. The zero can cancel. Okay, what about the rest? I'll try to show the next question. Dawish can, oh, cannot see lah. We wait for the rest. Okay, second one. Okay, well done, Carissa. Here. Anyone else? Anyone else? Akil can do that, Akil. This one, your practice, you must practice with paper pencil. You don't do mentally. You prepare yourself for the actual exam. So 1 point, let me see now, who else? Okay, well done. Okay, that means I think not more or less you all are okay. 1.25 divided by, you can put 0.4 lah. Okay, so now Akil, they won in what? They won in, sorry, not divide. See, I'm dreaming. I'm drifting. Can you imagine? I'm drifting. Okay, I'm drifting. Can you imagine? Minus. I put divide, right? Minus. So you will get this. Akil, your answer must be in liters, 0.85. Your answer is correct. I know you got a correct answer, but if you write answer be wrong. Okay, well done. Easy, eh? Okay, here we go. Notice drifting happens to everyone. I think I'm that thing. I'm not reading the question, no. Just a while ago, I just showed you that my mind was drifting. It happens to many students. And then they get shocked. Hey, how come I get it wrong? Read carefully, read carefully. This level of difficulty is the level of difficulty of your PSLE. It's not tough. It's not tough, huh? Are you all okay? Thinking, Okay, guys, come on, guys. Okay, well done, Dawish. What about the rest? Okay, we give you 1 minute more, 1 minute. Zahin, come. You're okay now. Take a risk. Take a risk. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You made mistake once or twice. It's okay. Don't be scared. Okay, let us see whether you're right in a moment. Okay, but you see, you all say that. Look, the bus doesn't arrive at the airport any of those times, no, Zahin and Karisa. How? So maybe, I don't know, maybe you got to think through carefully how you get the answer. The buses leave the interchange only at this time, will only reach at this time. You cannot have any other time other than this time. You know what I mean? Let's see now. What are they asking for? Okay. Okay, now they're asking what time will she arrive at the airport? She wants to take the 8:21, but she was late. How many minutes late? Okay, let us see. I won't respond to your answers yet. She was 45 minutes late. So now we add 45 minutes lah. When you plus 45 minutes, what do you get? You get 905. 905. 905, she can only take this. The earliest bus she can take is this one. Earliest time she reaches this one, 10 a.m. You'll get it. Zahin, get it? Yes, she didn't take the 8:20. She wanted to go take the 8:20, but she was 45 minutes late. So you plus 45 minutes, you get 905. 905, you have to wait at the interchange, right? Until 9:15. And then the bus will reach the airport at 10 o'clock. Okay? All right, I hope this is okay. Don't be afraid. You make a mistake, don't be afraid, please. Okay? Just pick yourself up. Like for me, once I ride a motorbike, I masuk longkang, you know. After that, I was so afraid to ride bike. Until now, I cannot ride a bike. Motorbike, not bicycle. Motorbike. Okay, try that. Common factors of 18 and 48. Okay, let's see whether you're right, Mr. Davish. Congratulations, Davish. Davish, you can move on to the next question. Those of you forgot what is factors are, numbers that 18 and 48 can be divided by. Can be divided by. What numbers can they be divided by? Still cannot catch a ball. I will also just do a little bit working for you, then you know how to continue. Those have forgotten, don't forget, please, don't forget. Well done, Karisa. Zahin, one number missing, Zahin. One number is missing. No. No, 48 cannot be divided by 9. Let's see, Akil. Akil, one number missing. Smallest one. Yes, Zahin, correct. Well done. Akil, you missing number, smallest missing number. Yes. Yes, well done. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Can you do question 22? Well, but those of you who still can't get 21, I will just show you down here. These are the numbers. Oh, very fast, this girl. Well done, Karisa. Jahin, you got to check the first one. Karisa, Congratulations, well done. Okay, I'm still writing this down for in case those of you who are these are the okay. First one, Andy, or you give in okay. 0. Akil, your first one is not correct. It's not correct. Okay, that means you all are not sure how to do this one. Zahin, you might what about Davish? What's the answer for 22? Okay, I'm gonna run through shortly, okay? Meanwhile, those of you do not know how to do this, this is how we do this first one. I think you all know. These are numbers all that can be divided by. Something is missing, Davish. All can be divided by. The numbers can be divided by. So this side. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now the next one now. Come on, guys and girls. You are able to do this. Yeah, watch carefully. Yeah. Okay, something like this one now. You just put in the value. You can put in the value like that in bracket. It means what? 2 times 7, 14 already, you know. Minus 7/8. Come on, very straight. 2, 7 minus. So how to minus? This one, you leave as 13. One whole you change to 8/8. Are you confused? No, right? 13, 8/8 is still 14, right? 8/8 is 1. Plus 13 is 14. Then you minus 7/8. What do you get? You get 13 whole. Remainder 1/8. Yes. Are we okay now? Yeah, I'm glad that we are going through this because I assume actually we wanted to go through just paper 2. But if you are making mistakes in this, you've got to correct yourself. Which parts you don't understand, please tell me. We still have time. I know it's 2 weeks, but we still have time. Okay. So again, 2 times 7, and then the answer minus 7/8. Okay, what about the next one now? The next one, put 7 down here, minus 13. Okay, plus 2 times 7, 14. Okay, say how to do. I don't know how to do. Okay, never mind. You take the positive number 7 plus 14 first. You can plus 14. What do you get? 21. 21 minus 13, you get 8. Okay, never mind. Can jump. I thought Botmas cannot jump. By right, Botmas cannot jump. This is actually a Sec 1 question. Okay, by right, this is a Sec 1 question. Why the arrangement now shows you how to add. So if you have like that, again, I have 7 minus, let's say, 8 plus 10. There must be no times or divide or bracket else, just like that. Then you take the plus belongs to the 10. You have $10. You have $7. Altogether, you have $17. You utang $8. Now you minus. Okay. I know some of you stuck. Is 7 cannot minus 8. Just take or you can take 10 minus 8, then plus 7. Can also. Okay, but this is considered a Sec 1 question. Considered lah. Is it fair? But right, it's not fair lah. So maybe your PSLE will not have such question. Maybe. Can we try this one? Mr. Sia had 80 wallets for sale. So the beginning of 80 through the week, you get lesser means it's, it's solar. So let us see now, Mr. First one, Davish, well done for question A. Zahin, well done for question A. Carissa, you got to check question A. Maybe you cannot see clearly, so I'm going to open up this wider. I'm going to draw lines for you so that you can see better. Those of you who feel that you cannot see clearly. Yeah, it's not fair because this is online. So let us see. One. Yeah. Akil, you got to check the answer for A. Again, this is online, so online is not so easy to see the number. Okay, just hold on, Azahil. Let me just check. So where is 20? Okay, I will mark for you all the 20, 60, whatever. Okay, down here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4,
So why am
5.
I wrong?
Why are you wrong? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. Your answer is Friday, is it? Okay. Okay, so we check. For your second one in a moment. Okay, Akil, your new answer according to answer key is correct. So let us see now. In order to know how much is sold on Monday, you first of all you must know this is 5 items. So down here is something. This is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So each is 4. Each is 4. So how much was sold on Monday? Well, only it went down 2. From 80 went down 2. So he sell 8 lah. 2, 1 is 4, right? So it went down. He has 80. Now he has, look how many left? 72 left. 80 minus 72 is 8. He sold 8 wallets on Monday. Tuesday is 3. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. He sold 3. This is 12. Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4, 20 wallets. Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 wallets sold. Friday, 2, 4, 8 wallets sold. You must know how to calculate wallets sold. See, how does it work? At first, he got 80 wallets. On Monday, end of Monday, he only got 72 wallets. So how many wallets sold? 80 minus 72, 8. Or you can count 4, 4, 8. Then on Tuesday, he got 60 wallets left. From 72 dropped to 60, means 72 minus 60 got 12. Or 4, 4, 4, 12. You get what I'm saying, Carissa? You understand? So Friday is only 8 only. Okay, don't take 80 minus how many? Let's say this one is 16. No. You got to calculate every day. So this one is Wednesday. Okay. Find the difference between the number of wallets sold on Monday and Friday. And the answer is 0 lah. Right? 0. The answer gives it yes, 0. Yeah, I hope it's okay. Well done, Akil. So guys, you can do this, okay? Trust me. You just be cool, calm, believe in yourself. Don't be so nervous. Hey, I made a mistake. What if I make a mistake? Put your faith in Allah. Before you start your exam, and your exam is just 2 weeks time. Next Friday, right? For your maths. You read a dua, Ya Allah, please help me. I'll be praying for you. But you also must do the prayer lah. And then become cool, have enough sleep, have enough food. The other day I went for tuition, my student's place. He cannot concentrate, you know why? Have not eaten. And then another tuition, when the person sleepy, mabuk, you know, mabuk. Mabuk, how to do work? You got to be alert. So you must have enough rest, enough food. Don't eat too much food also, no. You feel sleepy. Okay? So now be calm and cool. Yes. Sometimes I eat too much, I also mabuk also. So that's why I have not taken my lunch. I just take a curry puff. Otherwise, I might feel sleepy teaching you guys. Okay, think confident, cool. You can do this. You can do this. You will hear that one of the lines I'll be telling you, you can do this. You can do this. And those boys or girls watching Bob the Builder, you know, can we fix it? Yes, we can. Yes. Let us see whether you're right, Ms. Carissa. They want to know what's a percentage increase. According to the answer key, Carissa, Dawish, you're not correct. According to the answer key, you must first identify, boys and girls, what is 100%. If you do not know 100%, you would know how to. What is 100%? Compared to February means February is 100%. Okay. Let's say now they say from February to May, that means February is 100%. Compared to February means you are taking February as 100%. February, you know, no, cannot 500 lah. How come you get 500%? Cannot be 500%. February now, I'm telling you now, February is 100%. Look at February, look at May. May is more, correct? There's an increase. What's the increase? How many percent is that? Two methods you can do. Come on, boys, come on. All right, Krishna, you see? Not so correct. 100%. Okay, we look. You all are struggling now. Yes, Zahin, you got it. And you got it. 60 in May, 48 in February. Minus now, what's the increase? I minus, I get what? 12. So you want to find, okay, two methods, huh? 100% is how much? 100% is 48. And you want to find what is 12? How many percent is 12? You can find out what ways. Okay, I'll show you two ways. This one you can divide by 4. You get 12. You divide by 4 also. So how do I know divide? Okay, 48 divided by 12, you get 4. So divide by 4. So this one you divide by 4, you get 25%. Answer 20. But now I'll show you another method. What other method? I showed you this before. What method?
Fraction.
Remember the formula method, right? The formula method. How's the formula method? You just do like that. You always put 1 here. What you want to find? You want to find this one down here. You do not know. So take this number down here and write it on top here. If this is number 12, below must be number. So look at this relationship. Put this one 12, right? Below here must put 48. And 48 is equals to 100%. You do this, you try to put inside a calculator, right? You get 25% confirm. So let's say now you do paper, you say, I don't know how to do this. Just use this formula. You might get it correct. But first you need to understand what is 100%. 100% is February. Okay, Inshallah. Don't worry. This one now. We are trying to find angle Y. Angle Y, yeah. Sorry. Well done, Davish. Congratulations, Mr. Davish. Zahin, check. Akil, well done. Putri Jamal, check. You got check. Carissa, well done. Okay, we go one by one. So, Zahin, how much is this? This on here is 90 degrees. 90 minus 70 get 20. Are you okay with this one? Yes, right? This one is also, Carissa says 90 here, yes. Okay, I use another color. This one also 90, but let me clear this one first. Okay, she's correct. She mentioned down here, the square is also 90 down here. This one is 70, so it's also 20. Yeah. So take 360 minus 20 minus 70 minus 20. Correct? You will get 2, 5, 0. 20 plus 70, 90. 90 plus 20, 110. 360 minus 110, give you 250. Yeah, you can do this. You need to be relaxed. Like playing any game, professional soccer players and all, they need to be relaxed yet serious now. Yes, thank you very much. You need to be relaxed but serious. So you need to be relaxed but serious. No, I mean very focused on the questions. Okay, we try now the next one. Let's see now. I will reduce it. I'll draw some lines for you to help you because this is online.
Just my answer correct.
Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. This is Dawish, yeah. Hold on. Carissa, you're correct. Dawish, so sorry. It's too few, Dawish. You must read this carefully, Dawish. You're not reading carefully. Look at this. They tell you down here. What do they tell you? Average number sold by, what's the total number of balls sold? Now you get it. What's the total number of balls sold? Those of you that think you can count by the number of units, come on, you can count the number of units. You want me to give you the number of units? I'll give you the number of units now. Down here, 1, 2, this one is 3 units, 4 units, 5, 6 units, 7 units. What's the total? Total number of balls sold? No, too much. Too much. Total is how many? Take average times, okay, Davish, well done, by number of shops. So total number is average ton times number of shops. What's the average? 40. Okay. What's the number of shops? 4. So what's the total number of balls? 160. Okay. So how many units is equals to 160? Let's see. This one is 7 units. This one is 6 units. This one is 3 units, right? And this one on here is 4 units. Altogether, how many units? 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 20. 20 units is 160. Okay, now you want to find, okay, now I'll show you now. 2 units is 16. 1 unit is 8. Oh, like that. Okay. Now, on shop Y, 1, 2, 3. 3 units, 8 times 3, 24. Are we okay? Zahin, okay? Okay, not Zahin? Can, So you can do this, okay? Guys and girls, you can do this. You believe in yourself, you can. There's still time, This one, please ignore the 10. Ignore the 10, okay? I'll just put another color here. Well done, Carissa. Congratulations. What about the rest? Come on, you can do this. Come on. Davish, you got to check. Davish, got to check again. Zahin close but not correct. Okay, now I want you to take note. Kg means it's with unit. So you can minus straight. This one is no kg, you know. You must find how many kg is quarter of it. So let us see now. He bought 5 kg. Now let me just, where's my pen? Okay, he bought 5 kg, right? 5 kg. Now, how to find 1/4? Half, you know, you can half kg, you can minus later. But what is 1/4 of it? Very simple, you know. 1/4 of it, 1/4 of is what? Times. It is what? 4/5 lah. Right? This is what it is. What you know what it is. Again, sorry. I'm not too sure why this thing keeps disappearing. My pen keeps disappearing. Down here. You can see here. Again, 1/4 of is times. It is 4/5. So just divide by 4, divide by 4. What do you get? 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5, 5. So you get 1/5 kg. And so why don't we minus lah? So I would change it to 8/10 lah. Okay, why easier? 8/10 minus half. What is half? Half is 5/10. Okay. 1/5 is 2/10. You all know how I change, right? I just times. I hope you all know. Times by 2, times by 2, times by 5, times by 5. I want it easy lah. So 8 minus 5 get 3. 3 minus 2 get 1. 1/10 kg. That's it. That's the ending. So your mistake, I think, is here. Some of you assume it's kg. There's no kg here. It's quarter of this. So you must find what quarter of that is. Here we go. Okay, number 8. Let's see, Zahin, Darwish, congratulations for A. But in the actual exam, you must spell it out, right? Or your teacher say can use that letter. If you can use, then okay. I'm not too sure. Must write out. Okay. So you think it's southeast, you must write southeast. Don't write just SE. Okay, what about the rest? Come on. What about the rest? Very simple. Come on. From to. Darwish, well done. So, okay. All right, we will go through shortly, Carissa. So this way, from F to B in a straight line. Like that, no. So you put your compass here. See, you put compass here. And then, well, okay. And then we write down what's the name of the what are the name of the thing lah? Then you know very clearly what it is. This is north. This is south. This is, well done, Zahid. This is west. E. Remember we. So this is now northeast, northwest, not northeast. Can be careful, be careful. You need to draw. But again, as I said, this is online, so is a little bit difficult. North with an R down here, north, east. You know, EAST lah, east. Okay, northeast. In Allah, so the west, not west, not northeast. I'm looking at Karisa's answer. I'm reading it. So this can happen to you. Be careful. So now Min Yang stood at one of the points. Well done, Akil. One of the points facing G. Facing G. We do not know which point. Okay, I'm going to erase this one now. After she turned 45-degree anti-clockwise, she faced E. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise is like that. Anti-clockwise is like that. So 45 degrees is half of 90 degrees. Right? 45 degrees is half of 90 degrees. Sorry, I need to close for a while. Hold on, because okay. So I repeat, this is 90 degrees. 45 degrees will be like that in between. So now she was facing G. Then she made a anti-clockwise to down here. This is anti-clockwise. People go down the Kaaba anti-clockwise. So can you see now? This 45 degrees here, can see? Roughly, Hold on. Maybe, so this is not, maybe not so accurate. We try, From here, we connect, we make 40, these two must make 45 degrees. So we try down here now. This is nicer. Can you all see? This is 45 degrees. From G to move anti-clockwise, reach E. And this must make a 45 degrees. And it is 45 degrees. B is not. Okay, if we do B, if you don't believe, we just clear. I hope you know what I'm doing. Down here now, let's see now. We take this to be it. Can you see this is not 45 degrees? But C now. You see down here, 90 degrees, half of it is 45. So that means she was at point C. Min Yang was at point C. Face the G, then turn and face E. So this one you can take your time, turn it around, turn your paper around, try, and test whether it works or not. Wow, this one, look, it looks difficult, but I don't think it's difficult. You can do this, Looks difficult because it's so long. Allah. There is something wrong. Oh, okay. You gotta read reread. I myself getting confused by this question, but take your time, read line by line. We go through together. May and Nancy have equal numbers of ribbon. Oh, they have equal numbers. Then I thought they say May got 7 pieces, Nancy got 18 pieces. Well, maybe they didn't tell us how many long ribbon May have. Or how many short ribbons Nancy have. They each have a mix of short and long ribbons. The length of each short ribbon is 40 cm. The length of the long ribbon is 70 cm. Okay. I tell you what, this one, it needs us to crack our head. Anyone comes close to solving it? Later we go through, okay? Can? Maybe the next question also is a little bit, I think, hold on. This one is okay, this one drawing. Now we go to paper 2, Ken. Later we come back to the question. I don't want to waste time on this one first. We have to break it down quite a bit. Okay, we go to paper 2, here we go. Okay, Zahin has Darwish also given. Okay, both have not gotten it. Let me see. Maybe both have not gotten. Okay, I will draw lines for you. I will draw lines for you. Okay. Okay, this one is to make it easy for you guys. Go one by one. Okay, let's go one by one. I will lead you until the point and then you decide. Average number of mobile phones sold in 5 months is 160. You want to find total. You want to find total. So how to find total? 160 times 5. What do you get? 800. So this one is 180. This one is 150. So 120. 800 minus 180 minus 150 minus 120. You can use your calculator. You will get a
350.
350. So these two now, total number of phones sold is 350. Now you got to ask yourself now, they want to know what's the maximum number of phones possible to be sold in October. Maximum is this one is minimum. September is minimum. Is it possible to say September got only one phone sold? And then down here be 349 possible? Can or not? No, why not?
No,
Why not?
must
Why
be
not?
3 digits.
Must be 3-digit number lah. So what's the smallest 3-digit number here?
100.
100. So this answer will be what? If this is 100, this one 250. Well done. Okay, so I hope you get what I'm saying again.
Oh.
Again, you cannot just take 350 divided by 2. I repeat. What's the smallest number in September? They tell you the number of mobile phones sold each month is a 3-digit number. Means you see must be 3-digit means what? 100 is the smallest number. What? 101, 102, 100 is smallest number. So down here, I make this the smallest. Why I make this the smallest? Because I want this to be the biggest. 250 is the biggest. I cannot make it any smaller than 100. Do you get it? Zahin get it? Zahin get it? Carissa get it?
Yes.
Yes. How come everyone turning off video ni? Come. Let's try. Come on. Try your best. Once turn on, everyone turn on video. I also turn on my video nanti. Okay, we try this one. You can do this. You can do this. Darwish, you understand the question earlier or not? You know what? You understand? So be a little bit careful. They will just.
I put wrong number too.
Sorry? Oh, put wrong number.
200.
Oh, okay. Ilhan, are you there, Ilhan? I don't hear from you, Ilhan. Every class, what I'm doing, I'm now going to filter out students who don't get involved. Next year, they cannot register. I only want students who participate. Just now, a while ago, before class, I stopped the class halfway. Because students not getting involved. I do not know what are they doing there. Video is off, Abe. So we try. Your class is very good. Okay, your class generally very good. Most of you. Wow, that's fast. But it's not correct, Mr. Davish. Davish, you found. Can you just key in? Don't say it out. What's your volume of water inside when it's full? Akil, sorry. Akil, maybe you made a slight error, Akil. Akil at first got some water already, you know. It's not kosong, you know. You want to fill up another 3/4. You don't include the first quarter. I think you made a mistake. Davish, I think maybe you found, I don't know what you found. Maybe you found quarter. Okay, so now that's not correct. Let's see. Davish, what's your can you send me the, okay, Zahim not correct. So Davish and Carissa, that's too long. Okay, we ask ourselves now, what is the volume of the whole thing? See, volume whole thing is 30 times 60. Some say 30 times 60 unit. You need the breath. You see,
54.
54 liter good. Okay, so now we take 30 times 60 get 54,000.
54,000.
Which is, you're correct, 54 liters. Well done. Now, if you know this is 54 liters, how much more water is needed from year to year? Well, this is 1/4. How much? 3/4 times 54 lah. Correct.
18.
What do you get?
18.
18 ah? No lah, you get
Yeah.
40.5 liter. There's not 13.5 lah, right? 1/4 is 13.5. You will find out that 1/4 is 13.5. So take 54 minus 13.5, you get 40.5. This one 40.5 liters. You have to fill up. How long will it take? Well, they tell you 3 liters 1 minute. So take 40.5 divided by 3. And what do you get? You get 13.5 minutes. Are we okay? Carissa, can? Not too tough again, not too tough. You need to be careful. So you ask yourself, you get 74. Okay, how you get 74? Because the whole thing is only 54 liters. So anyway, never mind, no problem. Some of you may forget, no, 54, some will take that, 54 divided by 3. Hey, this one is in milliliters, no, or cm cube. This is in liters, you cannot. If you want to divide by this one, using this, you must divide by 3,000. Then it's fair. All right. But anyway. Okay, we are moving. This is paper 2 already, eh? Okay, you have done questions like this before. Can you try? Okay, Zahin, Larissa, let's see whether you're right. Question number 3. So sorry, none of you are right. Try again. You may need to sketch on your. Well done, Miss Putri Jamal. Akhil, you got to check. They're asking you to find this. Give you a clue, okay? You know that this is 90 degrees. This is the same thing here. What? Can you find this angle? Yes, you can. And this angle is the same as this angle. So if I were to draw a line here, Davish, well done. Hold on, let me just check. Putri, Larissa, hold on. Yes, well done. Well done, Putri Carissa. Zahin, you got to check. Okay, so down here, how much is it? 180 minus 90 minus 67. What do you get? 23 over here. Zahin, you get 23 here. This part, because they lipat the thing, is also 23. This is also 23. Yeah. So then what to do? Now you take 90, the last part to find the angle, 90 minus 23 minus 23 lah. So 23. So take 90 minus 23 minus 23, you get 44. Zain, okay not Zain? Can, huh? Now, you got to be alert during your exam, okay? Whatever it is, this is now practice. You get it wrong, it's okay. You try now. Careful. Go, please go. Please go, Carissa. Okay, this is to help you. Ask yourself, what's the ratio now between the 50-cent coins and the $1 coins? 50-cent and $1 coin. You must be able to. Okay, anyone can tell me now, what is the ratio between 50-cent and $1? You can say it out or send it by chat or whatever. 7 of his coins were 50-cent coins. So do you agree 2 is for 50 cent? Agree? 7, can I write 7 here? Cannot, because total is 7. All his coins is 7. So if 2 50-cent coins, 5 must be $1 coins. Do you get it? Get it? Now we look at the end now. After that, the mother give him some 50-cent coins, some $1 coins. And then his ratio is twice $1 coin as 50 cents. Means $1 coin can be 2, 50 cents can be 1. This one can twice can be 4, it can be 2. It can be 6, it can be 3. It can be 8, it can be 4. Why am I telling you this? This is twice. These are possible ratios. So the mother gave him how many $1 coins? Now here they tell you 10 $1 coins. Okay. So for $1 coins, you must plus 10, you know. But 10 is how many units? We don't know. So we know we must plus 10 coins here. 50-cent coins? $5 worth of 50-cent coins. $5 with how many coins? How many 50 cents? 50 cents, $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, $4, $4.50, $5. 10 coins also lah. Also 10 coins here. Can you see now? The mother give 10 coins, and then the new ratio is one of these. Which one do you think it is? Look, you give the same number, no? 10, 10. So your increase must be the same. So let's say I give 1 unit, 3, 6. Possible lah. Increase by 1, get 3. 5 increase by 1, get 6. You've solved it already. Your new ratio is this one. It cannot be 1 to 2, because 1 to 2 this goes down. You see, 2 go to no, cannot be 1 to 2. Cannot be 2 to 4. What about 4 to 6? This one you plus 2, this one you plus 3. Can you see now? From 2 to 5, let's say now, to 4 to 8, let's say. How to get, now here, you say you must plus 2. This one plus 3 cannot be, because it both must be same number of coins, must be same units, So now how? 2 plus 1 get 3. 5 plus 1 get 6. Can see now? So that means what? That means the new ratio is what? The new ratio is 3:6. So now I'm going to write here 3:6. So plus how many units? Plus 1 unit. Plus how many units? Plus 1 unit. So 1 unit is equal to 10 coins. Because the mother give 10 coins. So if 1 unit is 10 coins, at first got how many units? At first got 7 units. Well, you want how many coins at first? 2 plus 5, 7. 7 units, 10 times 7, 70 coins. And the answer is 70 coins. How we are getting a little bit heavy here. See some of you crying. Don't cry. Okay. It's okay. Maybe next time I will start with paper 2, then I go to paper 1. But it's okay. Huh? We try now the next one. Try the next. You need to wash your face. Wash your face. Okay. Need to go toilet. Go toilet. Okay, now. You can do this. Not so tough. Question number 5. Just give me one moment. One moment. You'll try this one. Okay, sorry. I went to the toilet for a while. Okay, Putri Jamal, I think you got it correct. Congratulations, Putri Jamal. All right, what about the rest of you? I'm just going to explain, okay? You see whether your explanation makes sense to you. She bought 2 pairs of shoes. Davish, sorry, it's not correct. 2 pairs of shoes. The first pair is 20% discount. Okay, 20% discount means she paid 80% for the first pair. You all okay with this? First pair, 80%. This is the same type of shoes, no? First pair is because she bought the same type of shoes, identical pairs. First pair, 80%. Second pair, she paid only 50%. Why got 50% discount? Second pair. So now, how many percent did she pay altogether? You plus together, 130%. Oh, 130% is equals to how much? 156. Okay, good. Can you find what is 1%? Find 1%. You divide by 130, what do you get? You get 1%. Divide by 130, what do you get? You get $1.20. Now, what you want to find? They say find each, how much they cost before the discount, each pair. So you want to find 100%. Why 100%? 100% is original price of 1 pair. So times by 100, $120. How is it? Okay. First pair, 20% discount, so 80%. You only pay 80%. Second pair, only pay 50%. Altogether, you add is 130%. This is equal to 156. Find 1%. Divide by 130, you get 120. Now they want to find what's the original price of 1 pair of shoes, which means 100%. 500%, $120. We move on again. 17 minutes. Here we go. This one's quite fun. This one's quite fun. This one's quite fun. You can do this. Okay, you can do this. Okay, Akhil, let's see whether you're correct. Akhil, you want to find what is y? I think you almost there, lah. But oh, Zahin, Putri Jamal, well done. Almost there, almost there. I will just help label. Zahin, congratulations. Zahin dapat tak? Inshallah, be okay. This one 3y. This one's 12. This one 12. The one on this one 12. So how many 12 here? They give you perimeter, no? 84. You minus 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12, 4, 12. 4 times 12, 48. 84 minus, sorry, 84 minus 48. What do you get?
36.
36. So 36 is equals to what?
6y.
6y, good. Okay, well done, Carissa, you got it. Okay, so 48, you get 36. 36, Mr. Akhil, is equal to this 3y plus 3y is 6y. 6y equals to 36. What is y? Divide by 6 lah. You get 6 cm. Okay, all right, we move on. This one. This you got to use excess and leftover. You can't do this. I'll give you another question in a moment. This one should have been question 7, maybe question 13. But right, for PSLE, this will be question 13. Or 14 or 15. Okay, if you have difficulty doing this, I need to give you another question first. You try first. We give you one minute more. I won't say easy. This is quite tough, lah. I think this could be question 15 for PSLE. Okay, can I give you another question? You try, okay? Now, in order to do this question, you must understand this question. I explain the method first, okay? This represents the amount of money you have. Imagine now I change my money. Then if you buy, let's say, 4 exercise book, you will have extra money like that. Let's say 4 exercise book lah. Later we'll give you lah 4 exercise book. This one is how much I'll give you later. But if you buy more than the money you have, let's say now you want 8 exercise book, you have a shortage. So now I give you now 8 exercise book here. Now I'm giving you the question, okay? Ali has some money. If he buy 4 exercise book, he will have $15 extra left. If he buys 8 exercise books, he will be short of, let's see, $15 or so. No. Hold on. Miscalculation. Okay, hold on. $25 short. He be $25 short. Now, how to find how much money he has? Here. So how to do this question? This is his money, Ali's money. He buy 4 exercise book, he got $15 left extra. He buy 8 exercise book, short of 25. How to do? Watch what I do. This represents now the money he has. Right? I will cut down here. Can you see now? This 4 units is equals to 25 plus 15. Can see now? From here to here, then from here to here. So 4 units is how many dollars? 15 plus 25? $40 lah. Oh. 1 unit? 1 unit is $10. Ah. So this is 10. So down here $40 plus 15. He got $55. This is $55. Is it true? Let's see. 8 books, $80. $80 minus 25 is 55. Correct lah. If you want to buy 8 books, he's short of 25 because he only got $55. Correct. So now I'm going to give you my question now. This one first, this one. Before you do the next one, sorry, Oh. I give you my own question, again. Where, what happened? Sorry, this thing, okay. So now, okay, Ali. This new question, okay? Got some money. If Ali buys, I will down here got if Ali buys 7 books, okay, he has $10 extra. Okay, extra or left lah. Now, if he buys, so sorry, I'm now calculating it in my mind. If he buys 10 books, he is short of $5. He's short of $5. Can you find how much money he have? I repeat the question. If Ali buys 7 books, he got $10 extra. But if he buys 10 books, he is $5 short. How much money does Ali have? You got to draw like this. Money. 7 books. How much short? 10 books, how much? Yeah, 10 books, how much short? 7 books, how much extra? I will erase this part here. And as you do, I'll start to draw. You see whether your drawing is the same as mine or not. If it's the same, it's great lah. This represents Ali's money. Can or not? I divide. Can get or not? Okay, we go through one by one. This one, if he buys 7 books, he got $10 extra. If he buys 10 books, he got $5 short. So I cut on here. 10 plus 5, 15. $15 is equals to how many units? 1, 2, 3. 3 units, 15. 1 unit is 5. That means 1 book is $5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. $35 for 7 books. Plus the $10 is 45. So he has $45. If you want to buy 10 books, he needs $50. So 1 book is $5. 10 books is 50. He'll be short of $5. Now we go back to this question now. See, how is it related? Same thing. Same thing. Okay, down here. Represents the lollipops. This is how much he actually, sorry, the 4 lollipops, and then okay, this is now the lollipops. This one, lollipops he has. If he put 4, he got 32 left over. If let's say now he put 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, he got how many short? Last box he got 3 lollipops. That means short of 4. Short of 4 down here. You must understand what this means, that every box is supposed to have 7, but this last box only got 3, so he's short of 4 lah. So what is the working now like that? 32 plus 4, 36. 36 is equals to what? 36 is equals to what? This number 7. 36 is equals to the difference between the 7 and the 4. 7, this is 7 lollipops each. This is 4 lollipops each. The difference is 3. So 3 lollipops, or 3 units if you like, is 36. 1 unit is
12.
12. So there are 12 boxes. So we try, we see where does it work now. 12 boxes, watch. If we put 12 boxes now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can test it out now. If you put 4 in every box, 4 times 12 is how much? 48 lollipop. Correct or not? Because you put 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, that's 48. Then you have extra 32. So you add up, this is the number of lollipops you have. You got 80 lollipops. Okay, let us see now whether it's true or not. If you put 7 in every one, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 in 12, 7 times 12 is 84. You're short by 4, not $4, 4 lollipops. So it works. This works. Okay, but I think you all are tired already. Tired, eh? No, not yet. Not yet tired. So how we go on some more? And next week is your last lesson. You all know that, huh? So next week, maybe if we can, we do you. I don't know whether you all are okay. We can do slightly longer if you want to. You want to have a break in between. Let's say after 1 hour, we take a 5-minute break. Then we try to go for another hour lah. What do you think? Can. The wish cannot. Your eyes off. If we try lah, we try. If you cannot, it's okay. Okay. So next week we target lah 1:30 to about 3:30. We try. But I will start paper 2 and then I go a little bit of paper 1. But you guys are more or less ready. You just got to be very careful. You got to be alert. You cannot drift. Your mind cannot drift. Your mind drift habis. You know what's drift? Not? Hayal a little bit, not concentrating, thinking you are something but you are doing something else. That is going to cause you to make mistake. Okay, I will see you again next week. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care.